Yeah. How much cost this sauce? All of it. Don't go on.
Vinny! Vinny, the door's locked, Vinny! The door's locked and the fucking car's doing 90! The door's locked!
There it is. There it was. It was the heater.
Holy. Jesus. Thank God you were there, dude. Oh, I know we're laughing, but it's not funny.
I told him this fucking strap. I fucking told him. Open it up.
Ezan. Volkan. Ali.
Ne yaptın? Ha, ata. Var mı ara?
Асадбек, привет.
I didn't know.
This is not funny.
I'm not laughing. I'm just.
This is ridiculous. This is bad, dude. Get it all cleaned up. All this.
Okay.
Get a razor blade. Scrape this. Get it all off. Get old rags. Get it all wiped out. I don't want one bit of this on here.
Okay, I didn't know. You didn't tell me.
I told you outside. I told you outside of the block. What's gonna happen when the oil eats the paint off? Where's it gonna land up, John?
Beginning work on this project because I did not want to work on a 20-year-old wheelchair. I've used the maximum amount of fuck-off time I could today.
एक डंडा लिकड़ी गया योर इंत
You get this car up in the air, you want to grab yourself a hammer,